Today we are going to show this VTech Explore and Learn helicopter. Okay, this is for babies. It's your toy since you were a baby. Okay, show me what are you going to do with that. Okay, you have to turn it on.
Do, re, mi, sing with me.
Okay, that's the music button. How about this? What's that other button? That one.
Come fly with me and we will see what goes up in the sky. I'm a bird. Sorry. A kite. Balloon, come inside to fly. I fly with me.
Okay, you press other button. What's this?
A bird.
Okay, how about the rest? What's that?
The bird flies up in the sky.
That's a kite. Okay, and show this. Show the front. What's in there?
Fasten your seatbelt.
The
Let's
dog
go.
and the sound. Okay, that's nice. And the other button. What's that?
Balloon.
What does it do?
The balloon floats up in the air.
Okay, that's nice. And then, okay, we are.
Fasten your seatbelt. Let's go.
Okay, how about these buttons?
A, B, C.
Okay.
Do, re, mi, sing with me.
Where are the sounds? Oh, there. Okay, don't press. Press the other button. Okay, you turn
What?
around. Okay, the last one. Is that it? Can you press those letters, please? Okay, you can make that as a piano. Oh, that's the sound.
Come fly with me and we will see what goes up in the sky. I'm a bird. A kite. Balloon, come inside to fly. I fly with me. Kite. One,
Okay, put the ball.
two, three.
Let me try again.
Okay, try again. Get all the 4 balls. Because you put it slowly one by one. So it will count.
Do, re, mi, sing with me.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, count again.
That's one count. One. Just just missing 2, 3.
Yellow.
It says the numbers and the colors.
4.
Oh.
Red. Green. Yellow.
See, that's correct. Okay, you put the balls again.
Blue.
Oh, it says blue. How about the numbers? You try again.
Where's the numbers?
Yellow.
Green. Green.
Green.
Where's the other one?
Green.
Okay.
Green.
Why green?
Okay.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Blue. The blue bear climbs up the tree. 1, 2. 3.
Yeah.
Okay, how about that one? That is a VTech roly-poly learning tree. Okay, show us.
Why all
Of
that?
course, you should turn it on.
Whizzing around the tree, I'm a little bird. Whizzing around the tree, what
Show us where you are going to press.
Where to go? Wobble, rose of red. I'm a red ladybug. Blue. Can you sing with me? Yellow. I'm a yellow bee.
Let you finish what it says, okay?
I'm a little bird. Yellow.
Yellow.
Can you count my spots? 1, 2, 3. Can you sing with me? I'm a little bird. Can you sing with me?
Okay, what else?
Yellow.
I think you have to sing it.
Bird. Red. I'm a little bird. Red. I'm a little bird. I'm a little bird.
I'll go.
Can you sing with me?
Stay here. Because I like to stay here.
Okay, you like it. Oh, there.
I'm a little bird.
Where's the other song? There you go. I love that song.
Why? What?
Okay, what? Is that all that you do?
Can you buzz with me?
Buzz.
Red.
Red.
What else? That's all? Is that all?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all for now. Bye bye.
Bye bye.